Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. So let's get right into the video. So I applied my Sky bond to dehydrate my nail, and if you don't have any bond, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone. Next, I applied 3 layers of clear dip powder to build the nail. I applied base to 3/4 of the nail, and then I dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail, and then I dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nail and also to protect my natural nail from the color. This is also an optional step. Next, I placed 2 pieces of tape on my nail parallel to each other. I did that off camera. Now I placed base on the nail, and I'm doing a 3-color ombre using Revel nail flippant, Blake and Athena. So I just sprinkled the colors on the nail. I did a few layers, so I'd let you guys watch and I'll be back shortly. Then I placed activator on the nail, waited for it to harden, then removed the tape. As you can see, some of the dip powder came off, but no worries. I filed the nail a little, and then I applied 3 more layers of the ombre to build up the color that came off. I really don't know why I was filing, but let's go with it. Then I applied more activator on the nail, which wasn't necessary. Then I filed the nail to get a straighter line, which also wasn't necessary. Next, I encapsulated the nail with about 3 or 4 layers of clear dip powder. Ensure that the sides of the nails also gets encapsulated with the clear dip powder because we are building the nail up a lot. This ensures that when we add the other color, the line would be straight and seamless. Now I apply activator, waited for the nail to harden, then began filing to get a straight line. Now this is after filing of the nail, and now I applied my Revel push dip powder on the sides of the nail. I only showed one side on camera. I did about 4 layers of that. So now I placed about 4 layers of clear dip powder to encapsulate the whole nail, but I only showed about 2 layers. This was a lot of work, I know, but the end result was so amazing. Then I applied activator to the nail, waited for it to harden, then began filing. So I decided to show my filing routine today, and I'm using the Melody Susie nail drill I purchased on Amazon. I have a link to a review I did on this nail drill. It will be in the cards. So I bought this drill in June of 2020, which was last year. Then 3 months later, the cord had a short, so I had to tape the nail drill up, and depending on the angle I placed the drill in, the drill wouldn't work, but I still liked it. So I got a new nail drill about 2 weeks ago, but I'm still using the Melody Susie nail drill, and the exact day I got the new nail drill, I'm not even kidding you, I decided to use my Melody Susie nail drill, and the dial to turn the nail drill on and off now is giving trouble. I have to keep playing with it for it to come on. It's like the drill was waiting for me to get a new one to say bye. I don't know if I got a bad batch, but that Melody Susie nail drill is trash. So this is after filing of the nail. Now I'm applying some Mother One's gel top coat to the nail and I cure it for 30 seconds. Then I apply my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail, and this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!